Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a review today for you on this really great keto protein powder that I got. On Amazon. It's really delicious, so I want to review it for you real quick as I'm doing a post-workout protein shake. So it is chocolate, which is my favorite protein powder. They also have a vanilla one, but this one is chocolate. It has 8 carbs per serving, which I love, trying to keep everything low carb and keto friendly. It's really great to have with water or milk. I'm gonna use almond milk, which is my favorite to use it with. So it has no artificial sweeteners, which I love. It's 190 calories per serving. If you're gonna add some almond milk, this one that I'm using is 30 calories per serving, and I'm actually going to use 2 cups of it, so it'll be 60 calories, so a little over 200 calories for this post-workout shake. High in protein, like I said, no artificial sweeteners, keto friendly, so it's really good to have a protein shake right after workout and help you recover. So I will make this up, and like I said, I will link this in the description. And I also, with my protein shakes, I like to use this little hand blender. It mixes up really well. So I love these mason jars that has measuring on the side. So these are really great to have. I don't have to dirty a measuring cup to see how much I'm using. So I'm gonna do a cup and a half of almond milk. And then the serving size for this protein powder is 2 scoops. It's really nice and thick and creamy and tastes like a milkshake. So I'll blend it up with my little hand blender. If you don't have one of these little guys, you can always just put the lid on and shake it up, but these are really fun and make it really great. This is so good. Like I said, it tastes like a milkshake, super thick and yummy, great for post-workout snack. Check out the link if you need a new protein powder. This one is great. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.